students, I am going to demonstrate some very simple and basic experiments, and I will explain about the nature of acids and bases. Acids are sore to test. Acids are sore to test. Sore means ये खट्टे होते हैं, जैसे लेमन, टोमेटो, unripe mango. They all are acidic in nature. And bases, on the other hand, bases are bitter to taste. Bitter means kadve, like soap, detergents, shampoo. ये चिकने भी होते हैं. Soaps are slippery to touch. Acids are corrosive. Corrosive means they decompose. They damage the substance on which they fall. Like we use acid for cleaning, toilets, floors at our home because they remove the matter. They remove the matter or any dirt around us. Now see, I have here this litmus solution. See, this is blue litmus solution. Now blue litmus solution. Now see, this is blue litmus paper strip. This is again litmus paper, so it is same. Similarly, here I have this is red litmus, and similarly red litmus paper, it is just light pink, but we call red. Similarly, see this bunch. Now acids turn blue litmus red, and here I have taken this is acetic acid, vinegar. This is dilute solution of acetic acid or vinegar, and I have taken here in this test tube, and I am taking the help of this glass rod. I am dipping this rod into the acetic acid, and I am applying on this blue. Now see, it has converted into red. It has converted into red. So what we can say, acids turn blue litmus red. This is one. Now from this side of the glass rod, I have taken here this sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, which we commonly called as caustic soda, and it is used in the preparation of soaps, detergents. Now here I have taken the test tube, sodium hydroxide, and I am going to touch this red litmus. Now see, it has changed into blue color. It means bases turns red litmus blue. Now again I am applying this on the blue, this portion of this litmus paper acid. See, no effect. Rather this red will be changing into blue. See, again I am taking this here, see. So this is the point. Now on the other hand, see, I am going to touch this with the acid here. Again see. So acids turn blue litmus red, and bases turns red litmus blue. When acid and base react together, there is formation of salt and water. And salt, like common salt, which we call namak. So common salt is formed by reaction between NaCl and NaOH in laboratory, but in nature it is obtained from the sea water or the lake water, which are saline in nature. Like there is a Sambhar Lake, world famous Sambhar Lake. It is a very famous lake near Nawa, near it is in Rajasthan, very close to Fulera. It has lake called Sambhar, and its water is saline, just like sea water. and so sea water can be used for preparation of salt. Similarly, Sambhar Lake water is taken into fields, and so this I have a packet of common salt. This is common salt. I have prepared a solution of this common salt. This is salt solution. So salt solution is neither acidic, it is nor basic. So I am taking the salt solution with the help of glass rod, and I am slightly measuring this approach. See, I have applied on the this red litmus salt solution. So there is no change, it remains as it is. Now same I am going to apply on this blue litmus. Now see, there is no change, it remains as it is. So what we can say? We can say that salts are neutral in nature. They neither have basic character nor have basic character, and they are unable to affect or unable to change the color of litmus.